Now let's choose somewhere for our app to live. Go ahead and navigate to the parent directory you want to use and create a folder for your app. Name it whatever you like. I'm naming mine app. If you're using Git, you might want to start by adding a Git ignore to your project. I don't need one here, but if you're going to be committing to GitHub, it might be useful. If you're just coding locally, it's probably not necessary. All right, now in your empty directory, let's create the first file, and it'll be the main file for the app. Let's call it index.js. All right, now we see that we have created it here, and it is just totally empty. This is the file we're going to call when we invoke the application. To show how this works, let's add a console log for hello world within that file and nothing else. And save it. And now from within that directory on the command line, we're going to run node index.js. After we do, we can see that message, hello world, being logged to the terminal. Just to review what's happening and how this works, let's go ahead and show all the files in this directory. You can see that there's an index.js file that we created a minute ago inside of this directory. Inside of it is a single command, console.log hello world. We ran the command node index.js that called the node application and passed it the name of this script, index.js. Node read in this file, sent the commands down to V8, V8 processed it, the console ended up logging out the message. And then there was nothing left for Node's event loop to do, so it exited. All right, now go ahead and get rid of this line, and we are going to start building the real application.